Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking accounts so notifications and calendar items flow between apps. Sign into Outlook with your work or school account, then open Teams and use Settings accounts to add the same identity. Once done, enable calendar permissions and mailbox sync so meeting invitations show in both places. This alignment prevents double booking and keeps present status accurate. Make sure notifications are allowed in both apps so you don't miss urgent messages. Next, create and manage meetings using Outlook's Teams meeting toggle for one-click joining. In Outlook, add a clear subject, agenda, and set required versus optional attendees to streamline responses. Once invited, Teams adds a join link and handles lobby settings. Use the Teams client to test camera and mic before the meeting begins. If you want recording or transcription, enable them in Teams so participants who miss it can catch up. This keeps scheduling consistent and reduces confusion about where to meet. Finally, organize communication. Use Teams chat for quick, immediate exchanges and move longer, team-wide topics into channels where files and threads stay visible. In Outlook, flag or categorize messages to create actionable follow-ups that sync with Planner or To Do. If messages or calendar items stop syncing, sign out of both apps, clear the Teams cache, and sign back in. Also verify your Internet and Microsoft service status. That simple restart resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.